As a designer, there are things you should put a stop to. It's time you stop ignoring these design rules. All of this is important, so I am going to tell you everything that you need to know about design principles, majorly about the proportional grid. If you understand this and start using it, you will start seeing improvements on your poster and video designs. So let us start right away with our proportional grid, and as you can see here we have point A, point B, point C and D. As a rule of thumb, the viewer will first lock his or her eyes at point A followed by B, C, then finish off with D at the lower part. Our first example is this prayer poster that you can clearly see it uses this rule. The viewer's attention will first be at word legacy Javans, which is the point A, and this is probably the main theme being emphasized, followed by other items on points B, C and D. Look at this second example. Perfectly balanced, and the first item you'll look at on this poster is the face of the preacher followed by point B, which is his name. Then your eyes will move to point C, which is the main venue where the event will be taking place. About the text, the boldness shows the emphasis about this poster. Always ensure your primary message stands out. If you like what we're doing here, just leave a like and consider subscribing for more content. Okay, let us take a look at this third example. The poster is perfectly balanced, not noisy or overcrowded, and shows you the safe spaces while making your videos or poster design, another great style you can utilize on your projects. Let us now focus on our final poster. Just look at this and tell me. You will first look at Lewis Hamilton's face, then his name at point B followed by the win text, and finish off with point D below where we have the yes text. Okay, so let us now practice what we've learnt. On this poster that I've made, you can clearly see that it is a safari themed poster. The first point A covers our main emphasis, which is the destination Masai Mara, and it is in bold so that it captures the viewer's attention. Our point B talks about this destination's departure time, something very important because we are discussing a trip, and in this case, depending on the content you have, you must clarify some details. Next point is part C. So what you want to do in your poster or video is guide the viewer using the proportional grid in this order until you cover point D. Make sure that the contrast of the colors you are using are clearly visible and does not cause distress to the audience's eye. So that asset designers, kindly ensure you use this in your next projects to keep you on a professional level. Thank you for watching.